guys about.
Hello YouTube, what's up, and welcome back to another video of Tech 7. So guys, out in this video today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix all kinds of lags on your device going on. So if you own a PC or a laptop and you guys are facing lag problems due to RAM insufficient, or you can just face up lag problems due to insufficient storage, guys, well, I've got your fix out there. Without downloading any application, guys, you can just fix up all your type of your lags. So make sure that you follow all the steps shown in this video today, and also subscribe to our channel if this thing works for you. So guys, basically, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do is just take up your cursor down to the task manager, or you can see the taskbar, and just right click at an empty space and you'll see a task manager. Just click on that and it will open up your task manager. Now maximize your screen, and over the way you can see over here just down up to startup, the fourth tab probably, and over here guys, make sure that you check all these applications and disable all those things that you do not need. So like if I want to disable some of these stuffs, I can actually do that. So I have disabled all of these stuffs that I do not need, and that's all how you can do that. And the second thing is that you can just go to performance and you can check out how much amount of CPU and memory is used by your PC every time. So guys, when I'm not playing any games, it'll just show up me like 4.1 GB in use. That's almost 51 to 55% of the CPU is being used. And also guys, for the GPU, it's only 30% just to render up my screen. Now guys, for the processes, make sure that you check out all the processes that are going on in your PC. So you can just close out which are net consuming, or the ones who are consuming a lot of data, so you can be clear up with all of the stuffs that are going on your PC. So like this, you can just fasten up your PC. You can see memory is 50% now. So by this, all those stuffs that you do not need on your PC, you can just reduce them down and take it down. So guys, I hope you had enjoyed this video. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also the like button, guys, and hopefully guys, this trick will work for you, 100% sure. So we'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and bye.